Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your nickname on Google Assistant. Alright guys, first of all, open your Google application on your phone. Then you're going to click on your profile button on the top right corner of your screen. Then there will be several options for you and you're going to select the settings option. This one, tap on the settings option. And since we want to change nickname on Google Assistant, we can click on the Google Assistant setting, this one. And we can click on U option, this one. You can click on U option. Then we can change our nickname right here. Tap on nickname. And you can select how your Google Assistant should call you. So this is my nickname and I'm going to change it. We can click on this pencil icon. Then I'm going to add moral. Okay, then after you're done, you just need to click on OK. Alright, and now the nickname has been changed and you can manage the pronunciation. You can use default or you can choose spell it out or you can also record your own to teach your Google Assistant. Alright guys, and that's how we can change nickname on Google Assistant. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.